one thing that is very common in the region is essentially a pro-cyclical way of management. That means that during times of very low oil prices, there is not really a policy of supporting the economy, which is, of course, badly hit by the decline in oil prices, but instead a tightening of fiscal buffers because of the concerns for the balance sheets, the implications for the currency pegs, for example. And we are certainly seeing that being played out right now. As you say, the Saudi response was quite substantial, but the expectation should probably be that across the region there will be some response, and a substantial response, in order to minimize or limit the deterioration of the balance sheet across the region. That raises a bit more questions about the currency pegs in the region, although we still believe them to be sustainable for the medium term.
Tourism is also another big factor as well. It's a double whammy really hitting a number of these GCC nations. Does the drop-off in tourism, we were just speaking to the CEO of Dubai Airports a little bit earlier on in the show, leave the UAE particularly exposed or elsewhere?
Well, it remains the case that oil is more important than, say, tourism or the non-oil sector more generally in the whole region. And as long as balance sheets are okay, and as long as oil prices are not falling below dangerously low levels, that's the region is relatively safe. Having said that, there's no question that the non-oil economy is now suffering quite badly and is contracting at quite a rapid pace. Partly because of tourism, but of course also more directly because of the lockdown measures and the domestic containment measures.
Where does the oil price need to go then to take the pressure off a number of these economies? Do we need to see it back above $50 a barrel or even higher than that?
Well, for us, our estimation is that the break-even oil price, so the price at which fiscal budgets would be zero or balanced, is in the range of 65 to 75 for almost all of the countries in the GCC, with the exception of Qatar, where it is a bit lower in the 50 to 60 range. And it's actually even higher for Bahrain, where the pressures are more substantial.